Hello Sumiers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to do cross-browser testing using Puppeteer. So I have three browsers, Edge, Chrome and Firefox. I'll be launching these three. For example, this is Firefox. Let me launch google.com. So I'll be typing here Azhar Techno Coder and I'll be closing the browser. This is simple testing which I'm going to perform. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, as you have already seen on the screen, I have created a JS file cross browser test. So what I'll do here, I'll put constant puppeteerVar equal to require puppeteer. PuppeteerVar will give all the properties of Puppeteer. Other thing is, if you have seen the package.json, I have installed puppeteer-firefox to launch the Firefox. So I'll be using puppeteer-firefox for that. Let me write constant puppeteer-firefox equal to require puppeteer-firefox. Puppeteer, and this is the library which I need. So I need the URL now. So what is the URL I need? So I'm going to launch google.com. So I've copied that. I'll write constant URL equal to, now I need the search item. Let me write constant search item equal to what I want to search. I just want to write Azhar Techno Coder. Now where we have to type it. Okay, so I want to type it here. So let me inspect this. So here you can see name Q. If you want put, just write Control F. I'll write input name. I have to write @for_XPath equal to just Q. So we have got a match. So copy this, paste it here. So I'll write constant searchInput equal to, so I'll just write this one. Let me copy describe and end block somewhere else. Maybe I can copy the entire thing here. Here I'll write the search describe block description as cross browser testing, and I can write here cross browser test. Okay, I'll remove the entire thing. So we'll do it step by step. So here first I'll take my three browsers. Okay, so I'll write here constant Firefox equal to so I'll write await puppeteer-firefox dot, I want to launch this. Okay, but have the conditions as headless equal to false, comma. If I want, I can add slow motion also. Let me add slowMo as 50. That's it. Okay, so now I'll copy the same thing. I'll add Chrome here. So it will be a Chrome. Instead of puppeteer-firefox, it will be puppeteer-var. So headless equal to false and slowMo 50. Same. Now let me paste another thing. I'll write Edge browser. Here it will be puppeteer-var, but we have seen in the previous videos of launching a browser. So I'll copy this thing. I'll copy up to here. I'll paste it in the Edge browser, and we can take the same thing here. Just write comma and so slowMo 50. I'll copy here this and I'll paste it here. So we have got now three browsers. Okay, so now let me write my logic. So for writing the logic, I'll go on the top before the Firefox and all. So I'll take async function. Here I'll write constant crossTest This one will take as input as a browser. So let us see here. Launch this to. Here I'll write constant page equal to await browser dot new page. The browser is our input. So here I'll write await page, go to this URL. Okay. So now once I launch that browser particular URL, I want to enter something. So I'll write constant search element, or the text box is the element which you want, right? I will write text box equal to await page dot wait for XPath is my method. So my XPath is this one. This is the search element, and I want to type it also, right? So for typing it, I'm using await textbox dot. We should have the method type where I can type my search item. So as soon as I type my search item, after that I can close this browser. So await browser dot close. Okay. So I'm launching the browser here. I'm going to this URL. Then I'm waiting for this search input text box so that I can get all the element properties here. I'm entering the value. Then I'm closing the browser. Okay. So now I should call this each and every time. So I'll write here await crossTest. So it takes browser as a input. So let me write Firefox here. First it should launch Firefox. So I'll copy this crossTest. After the Chrome browser, I'll write Chrome here. After the edge one, I'll write edge here. Edge. Okay. For alignment, I'll add tab. Yep, that looks good. So alignment is proper. Okay. So in package.json, I have already added cross browser test. So now let me write npm test. So it should launch first Firefox. Let's see. So now it launched Firefox. It will type google.com, Azhar Techno Coder. It will close the browser. Now it will launch the Chrome. This is the Chrome browser. Google.com, Azhar Techno Coder. Close. Now it will launch my Edge browser. So this is Edge. So launching google.com, Azhar Techno Coder, close the browser. So now my cross browser testing is successful. Of course, I have done very minimal, just entering the name, that's it. So this is a simple concept. We can elaborate this by adding more and more functionalities. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.